Exercise 26 is again an exercise for both hands. So let's first analyze together behind your piano when you have to play both hands together and when you have to play them separately. Make sure you get this method, because next time I want you to try analyzing an exercise for both hands on your own. If you want to be able to play with both hands easily, also in future pieces you want to learn, you have to master this skill. So, when you first look to an exercise for both hands, first see which hand plays most of the notes in the most straightforward timing. In this exercise, that is the left hand, because the left hand plays 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. The right hand has a more complicated timing, so you use the left hand in this exercise as your guide. The exercise starts with both hands together. With the fourth finger of your right hand you play E, and with the fifth finger of your left hand you play a lower E. Then you hold the fourth finger of your right hand on E while you play the other notes with the left hand. When you play A with the second finger of your left hand, you play again E with the fourth finger of the right hand. So you play this note 2 times with your right hand. The last notes of the first bar you play together with both hands. So while you play the octave D with the fifth finger and the thumb of your left hand, you play F with the fifth finger of your right hand. And when you play F with the fourth finger of your left hand, you play A with the thumb of your right hand. When you look at the second bar, you see that it starts with both hands together. With the third finger of your left hand, you play G, and with the second finger of your right hand, you play C. Then you hold C with the second finger of your right hand while you play the other notes with your left hand. When you play G with the fifth finger of your left hand, you play D with the third finger of your right hand. You hold the third finger of your right hand on D after you play the last note for the left hand. After that, you directly play B with the thumb of your right hand. So you count 1 and 2 and 3, and after that comes B with the thumb. So do this analyzing behind your piano and press the keys with the left hand and right hand together and after each other slowly in the right timing before you practice the exercise at 30 BPM. Now you are ready to practice exercise 26 at 30 BPM. I get back to you after you did exercise 26 at 90 BPM. Until then, enjoy practicing.